I am here to share with you something you can do instantly to switch off stress mode and to come back to your centered, focused, calm state. And if it's been a long time since you've known what that's like, doesn't really matter. It exists inside of you. I imagine it might not be very practical to lie down on the floor in a garden or in a park or somewhere in nature and just look up. So that's why I've given you this vision here on this video so you can look at it and, well, just imagine yourself lying down on the ground in a garden, in a park, looking up into the sky through the canopy of a tree. And take a good deep breath through your nose. There is a lot of wisdom in that common saying, take a deep breath and count to 10. What I'm inviting you to do right now is take a deep breath, but don't stay in your chest. So just take that deep breath in a soft way, allowing it to go down into your belly. So when you inhale, your belly expands, and when you exhale, it recedes. As you are doing this, looking at the canopy of the tree in front of you in this video, take it in. Take in the tree itself, the sky, and the cleanse it brings to you. The feeling of lightness, of letting go. Keep on breathing deeply. Stay focused without even having to formulate a thought around numbers. Nothing. Just the pure simplicity of each breath, deep but soft. Of the tree, of the sky, of the gentle sounds of nature, bringing you back into a place of balance. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this moment. And now we'll see each other in the Super Stress Relief Kit, which you can now open for more.
Super Stress Relief Kit. All you need to unwind.